In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI image to image. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the website of Leonardo AI. And once you're here, as you're able to see here, we have the option of image generation. And if we also see on the drop-down menu on the left side of our screen, the option is also available over there. So you can click on any of these options to go to image generation page. Once you do that, you will be able to see here this kind of interface. So if you want to use image to image generation, first of all, you're going to switch to image guidance. If you see on the front screen, you have three options. The first one is generation history, second one is image guidance, and the third one is prompt generation. So you're going to switch to the second option, which is image guidance. And as you can see here, right now it is turned to off. So you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on this option to import an image from your device. Just select your image and then click on open. Then your image will be imported to the website of Leonardo AI. After that, you're going to scroll up back and in here, you're going to type in a prompt that what kind of changes you want to have in the image. Like right now, as you can see here, this is my image and the person is smiling in this image. I can make any changes in this image by typing in a prompt over here. Like I have typed in a prompt over here to change the expression of this person from smiling to confused. And once you have done that, you can just click on generate. Then if you want to see the changes that you have made, you're going to switch back to the first section, which is generation history. Just click on that and then scroll down. As you're able to see here that my image has been changed. And according to the prompt I entered, the expression of this person has changed.